this one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In the last video I unboxed almost 1000 euros in brand new parts to my bargain Audi A3, and today it's time to install at least some of them. But before I start installing these parts, this is supposed to be easy, let's see, because this week I just have one day free, so that's the reason that I choose to install these ones. I have to start for somewhere. I want to tell you one thing. The last video I noticed that one of you commented that the audio was really bad, which in fact is true, guys. I already had an external mic, a Rode one, but that external mic was not enough to delete wind sound. I know that, and I apologize for that. So since I received the comment, which I really appreciate, as I mentioned, I have already an external mic, a Rode one, but I decided to buy that cat to the mic to at least try to improve the audio. Thanks for the comment, and always trying to improve. I'm also working off camera because, as I mentioned in the beginning of this process, this car will be a little bit different. In the other Audis and the other projects, I always do the restoration like in a do-it-yourself format. This car I need to do it faster, and I'm also doing small things or small improvements of the camera. One of the improvements that I made, it was the interior light. I replaced almost everything for LEDs, so I removed all the halogen lights to LEDs. Another problem that I found was this light that is installed on the back seats. This was fully rusted right here. I attempted to clean it and it started working here, at least the buttons, but I decided to buy another one. I paid 10 euros for a new one that is already installed and it's fully working. The main reason that I bought a new one is because the supports were of this one, they are broken. Luckily I found one for 10 euros. Another two things that I bought that I didn't mention, or better, I mentioned in the unboxing video. The oil cooler already arrived, okay. And another thing is this antenna. The one that was installed in the car was in a really bad condition, and when I attempted to remove it, I just ended up breaking. And the solution, at least for now, will be this one, but I will talk about this in another video, okay. So we have here some parts. I will start for the easier ones, maybe the center caps and the valve covers. Yeah, let's go. Let's replace the center caps and valve covers. Let's go. This is how you increase 5 horsepower for free, eh? They were looking bad, guys. This happens because when you buy this on AliExpress, always had clear coat, always. And next, maybe brand new expansion tank cap. Let's go. This is also trash. Right now maybe I will install the mirror. Let's see if I can remove the old one without breaking. Let's go. Jesus. Can you see the dead cat? This is the dead cat, man. Yeah, exact same. The mirror is done. Now let's go for the side lights. One less item. Let's go to the next. So guys, time for the brand new shock absorbers. Not because they are not working, but they are rusted. Holy. They were old, now brand new. Holy. Time to the front wipers. Let's go. And now time for the rear wiper arm. Yeah. Probably I'll have to buy another one. So this is rusted. I will replace later, okay? So guys, as I mentioned in the past videos, these hoses are cracked, so I will replace for brand new ones. I will try to show you closer if they are fully cracked and old. The hoses are installed, but probably I will remove these clamps and buy another ones, because these ones are not inspiring me too much confidence. Really old and I don't like it. Another thing that I did off camera, this compartment underneath the seats, this one was broken, and luckily I had used one from my other Audis. Now it's okay. This one, it's old and broken, garbage. Guys, I went to buy new clamps and some nuts to replace the rusted one on the rear wiper, and imagine what I did. Oh, and some zip ties. I end up buying a brand new kit of Torx wrenches. Pretty nice, huh? Quite expensive this. Let's go, guys. fuel hoses are replaced. Now it's time to replace the brake booster hose. Guys, one tip: if you have to replace this, I have a video with this, okay? But if you have to replace this one, don't forget to close this hole right here, because this is an option that some cars have and others don't have, okay? I will close mine and that's it. If you don't remember, I'm replacing this hose because right here it have a garden hose, guys, and this could be dangerous because this is vacuum. As you can see, this strangulates the vacuum when you press your brake pedal, so that's the reason that this is made from plastic, okay? Don't use that garden hoses, okay? If you need on an emergency, this is okay, but then when possible, replace it. So as you can see here, this is compressed, and every single time that you press the brake pedal, this goes like this, and it strangulates your vacuum. Done. So guys, as you saw, the brakes are working. There's another item that I showed on the first video. This mirror regulator was broken, and for this case, for the 5 doors Audi A3, it's really difficult to find a new one. It's almost impossible. Used are really expensive, so what I did, I bought one for 10 euros, I believe, from Audi A6. The cover, it's different. What I did was to remove the interior and replace on this one. I also bought the support that goes under here, original one, and that's it, guys. Now it's working. You already know that I have this brand new. Everything will be restored. So guys, the last item of this video, it's the blower. The one that is installed, it's making an annoying bearing noise, so I bought a new one. To replace, I need to remove the glove box, and that's what I'm gonna do. So here it is. Let's remove this one and install the brand new one. So guys, to those that never saw this, here we have. So guys, it's assembly, let's see if it works. Yeah. I know that everything that I sold today is just like the first step of this Audi restoration. Or it's not a restoration, as I always say, it's a recondition. Because for me, in my opinion, restorations it's restored part by part, and that's not gonna happen. But it's the first step, and it's important. These small things at the end of this project makes the all difference. So guys, in the next video, probably I will work on brakes. So I will replace brake pads, discs, paint brake calipers, and maybe give it a good clean on the wheel arch. So guys, step by step we're going to put this Audi like not new but in a good condition. Thanks for watching, as usual. See you soon. Stay tuned.